We do have to return the clothes. That's what they know. We're talking with Eric Roberts and his wife, Eliza. Nice to have you both here. You guys have been married since?
Since the beginning of time.
Okay.
1992.
How does one keep a Hollywood marriage intact?
We should get right to the subject, or
Sure, if you would like to.
I mean, there's all the cliche things.
Right.
Communication.
Right.
We work together too, which is good. That actually helps.
Speaking of work, Eric on this IMDb, which is the Internet Movie Database, it lists Eric as doing at least 45 movies in 2020.
At least one or two of them might just be, phantom movies that aren't really happening.
Okay.
But, no, there's a lot. There's little. He does a lot of cameos, and in fact, he's on Cameo, cameo.com.
Oh, we must talk of Cameo.
Okay.
It's the greatest thing since sliced bread. Cameo, these wonderful people call in, and they have you send messages to their loved ones or themselves.
Personal messages like birthday greetings or things like that.
That is so much fun. We have the greatest time doing
And
it.
I know you have the opportunity to do it either audio or video, or what do people ask for?
They ask for video mostly. Yeah.
And we try to bring them behind the scenes. Like we would do one right here. If actually we did do one in the green room.
Oh, okay.
So to make them part of your life.
We do them in the car. We
What's
do them
the
everywhere we're
weirdest
at.
request that you had to say?
Oh, there have been some.
Lots of happy birthdays. Lots of I like your hairs. Lots of
When people get it for
personal stuff.
themselves, you always wonder, what is that? You really want to give extra. You want to invite them over.
They really need something, yeah.
We've heard there's weird ones. We haven't gotten super weird ones.
No, we don't get weirdos yet.
All right. Well, the
wait.
Cameo crowd is listening in. All these kids are successful.
Thank you. I mean,
We love our kids.
It's all relative.
Is it in the blood? Say with Emma, for example.
Yeah, well, we just handed it right down. Here's another Roberts, by the way. Thank you.
But when you find, I think of her career taking off, so quickly, you're proud and excited. Does it make you nervous at all?
Not at all. No, Emma is extraordinarily strong and extraordinarily intelligent, and doesn't mess around.
Keaton is going on tour with Brett Young.
Yeah, he's been touring with Brett Young, and they're going to Europe now and stuff. He's just having the most incredible time. There he is.
And when you think of somebody, Eric, who has a successful music career, is it more fun to be an actor or more fun to be a musician?
Well, all us actors want to be rock and roll stars.
Right.
All rock and roll stars want to be movie stars.
Right, exactly.
That's how it works.
Right.
But at least seeing it through your son's eyes, is one better than the other? Or?
It's much better that he's the star because I can't sing.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then your other, Morgan has her own pie shop?
PieBakeShop.com. It's happening.
We have to
pie
bring
as in the
dessert.
pie
Okay,
sign.
yes, please.
Yes.
Pie as in
What's
the
your best
sign.
pie?
Well, it depends what you like, but
She'll
I'm
do
a
custom pie.
I'm a pumpkin guy.
Like she'll do
but-
dark chocolate milk dud pie.
Wow.
She'll do whatever your fantasy is. And she does vegan and gluten-free and all that, but she's just amazing. Pie,
Savory
PI.
pies, sweet pies.
Studio City
PI
Farmers
Bake
Market
Shop.
every Sunday, and she does 7-day-a-week delivery.
Which
home
one have you
delivery.
taught her how to make pies?
Savory too. Well, I can't cook, and so it was in self-defense.
That's a great
Self-preservation.
Mom's
I
in
am-
the kitchen. I've got to go in.
I am the cook in our house. I'm the cook.
Oh, wow.
All right.
And then we should tell you, I guess there's a website called getmyrocket.com.
Yes, there is.
Which is apparently one of the reasons they've been able to be married as long as they've been married. So you can check that out on the website if you like.
I got to tell you a story. This crazy friend of mine, he and I have several business ventures in together. He comes to me. He's an inventor, John Hoffman, and he says, I have an invention that cures ED. I said, I don't have ED. He said, try it anyway. I said, John, this embarrasses me. He goes, try it and then get back to me. I did. It enhanced the situation, I got to say.
That's the marriage.
It wasn't too bad. No, it's funny. The other day she says, should I tell this story?
I don't think so. I have no idea what story it is.
Be mindful of the
think we
fact.
got the idea.
Yeah, the kids can be watching.
You know what? We're going to take a break and tell us in the break because we want to hear it. And again, that website is getmyrocket.com. Nice to see you both this morning.
It's so
Thanks so
fun.
much. And then I'll post his version of the story. All right.
Okay,
Good to see you.
maybe.
Thanks so much.
Maybe.